What if you could scale up your customer support to handle hundreds of customers' messages at a time? Yes, today exactly we are going to do this by creating an AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now let me show you how it is going to work, and afterwards we will build this AI assistant which is going to resolve all the queries of your customers within the WhatsApp, and it is going to respond to hundreds or thousands of customers at a time. So now let me show you how it is going to work in real time. So for that, let's move on towards my WhatsApp, where I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm reacting as a user, and here I will be entering this message that is, hey, I need help. And this message is going to initiate my AI assistant. So now let's wait for the response of my AI assistant. And right here you can see that I'm getting the response. Now let's enter a random question and check whether we get the response of my question or not. And here I have created this AI assistant for the real estate business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running. You just have to make a minute change. So now let's enter a question over here. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, do you have any ready to move properties? Now let's wait for the response. And right here you can see that I'm getting the answer which says yes, there's a ready to move property available in the listings. Now let's enter another question to check its proper working. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, what documents are required to buy a property? And now you might be thinking how this is responding exactly according to my business. And right here you can see that I'm getting the answer consisting the documents required to buy a property. So here I'm getting all these responses because I have provided knowledge base to my particular AI assistant. So now you might be thinking, what is this knowledge base? So knowledge base is basically the brain of our AI assistant, a document which contains details of the business. So right here you can see that this is the knowledge base which I have created for my real estate business, which contains its details. And here I have started this AI assistant with a business overview which will let my AI understood what my business about is and who my target audience is. And right here you can check out that I have provided all the property categories. So my AI assistant is fetching the data from this knowledge base and resolving the queries of my customers. So this is the minute change you have to make for any other business. You just have to modify the knowledge base according to the business you are running. And this AI assistant is going to be beneficial for whatever business you are running, whether it's any service-based business, any online business, coaches, agencies, etc. And now let me show you the process of creating it. And for that you have to use an automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. Now let's move on towards my AI assistant page of the Pabbly Chatflow for creating this AI assistant. So for accessing this page, you have to type the URL of the Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing this AI assistant for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and if you like this AI assistant and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. And now let's move on towards my AI assistant page. So right here, don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And right here we are on this AI instruction tab, where I'm going to select my instruction type as AI agent. And right after we are getting all these instructions which you can modify according to you. Now here we have to set the temperature. So here temperature basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But I am going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most suitable temperature, and from here you can select the AI to use and the model of your OpenAI. Now here we are getting this option for entering the API key. So for responding to your customer queries, you have to enter this API key, which you can get through this OpenAI API's key page given over the help desk. And right here we are on this page where you just have to click over this create new secret key button, and here you have to provide the name and the project name and click over this create secret key, and your API key will be created if you are using a paid account. And for now I already have my API key which I have entered. So now let's click over this connect button, and right here you can see that my OpenAI key has been saved successfully. Now we are on this AI assistant settings section, from where you can manage some of your AI assistant settings, such as if you want to provide the header or the footer message, then you can just enable these toggles and enter it. And afterwards we are getting this option for entering the stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. So by enabling it, you can enter the stop keywords. And then next we are getting this option for entering the retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range is from 1 to 10. So you can enter the number from 1 to 10. And at last we are getting this option for fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. Now let's move on towards our next tab, that is knowledge source. So here I am going to provide the knowledge base to my AI assistant, which is basically the brain of the AI assistant. So for that you can upload it in .txt or .pdf file format. So let's select it, and right here I'm on my media library, where if you want to add the new knowledge base, then you can just click over this add new file. But right now I already have my knowledge base for the real estate business, which I'm going to upload. So as I've clicked over this insert button, my knowledge base has been uploaded successfully, and here we are getting the name and the vector ID. Now let's configure the assistant interface. So here we are getting this option for entering the header display heading name. So here I am going to enter my header display heading name as Urban Nest, which is the name of my brand. And as I am entering it, you might have observed one change, and that too in the preview of your AI assistant, that we are getting the same heading name. And the next we are getting this option for entering the subheading name, which can also be seen on the preview of your AI assistant as a subheading. And the next we are getting this option for entering the initial message. So you can enter the 2 initial messages. And the next field we are getting is for display the powered by Pabbly label. So from here you can enable or disable it. Now let's change it to disable and see the changes. And right here you can see that the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but I'm going to keep it as enable only. And the next we are getting this field for the footer text and the footer link, so you can provide it over here. Now at last we are getting this option for users first message. So this message will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side. Now let's customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant in this styling tab. So here you can select your preferred theme mode, preferred assistant shape, and you can even change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And not only this, you can even provide the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture too. So now this is the process for creating our AI assistant, which will let you to automate the conversation between you and your customer. And by using this, you are not going to miss even a single customer. Now for enabling it, we have to activate this toggle, and for saving it, we simply have to click over the save AI assistant. And right here it is saved successfully. Now if you wish to embed this AI assistant to your website, then you just have to click over this embed button, and right here we are getting the script code which you can paste over the code of your website, and this will will be embedded to your website, which is going to respond to all the queries. So now I have shown you how you can create the AI assistant, embed it and save it. Now let me show you one important task, that is enabling AI assistant for your all contact or particular contact list or a particular chat. So for enabling it for all the contacts, let's move on towards the settings and select this option of inbox settings. And on this page at the last, we are getting this option for enable AI auto replies, which you have to keep enable. And from this field of the contact list, you can select your all contact or a particular contact list for which you want to enable this AI assistant. And from this field of the AI assistant, you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable for your all contact or a particular contact list. Now let's see how to enable it for a particular chat. So for that, let's move on towards my inbox with me. And right here, I'm going to enable this AI assistant for this particular chat. And on the right hand side, we are getting this option for choose AI assistant, which you have to enable. And from this field, you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So here I have enabled the AI assistant which I have just created. And now if this user will message me, the responses will be provided by my AI assistant. So this was the simple process for enabling AI assistant for a particular chat. So now you can also automate your business conversation by just using this WhatsApp AI assistant. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.